Today we are going to draw George Pig with dinosaur. I draw two cute eyes, smiling mouth, circle for the cheek, and the shape of his face. Now I draw his body. Then I draw a dinosaur. Drawing looks amazing. Let's start coloring. Pink color. Sky blue color. Green color.
Hello everyone! Let's draw Peppa Pig celebrating her birthday. First, we'll draw two cute eyes. Next, a small circle for her cheek and a smiling mouth. Let's sketch the shape of her face. Add two ears. And top it off with a birthday cap on her head, perfect for the celebration. Now, let's draw a yummy cake. While we're drawing the cake, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing tutorials. Let's draw Peppa's hands and body, making her look cheerful. Next, we'll draw a table for the cake to sit on. Our drawing is looking amazing so far. Since it's Peppa's birthday, let's add lots of colorful balloons. Now we'll draw a chair for Peppa to sit on. Finally, we'll complete the drawing by adding table legs. Time to start coloring. I'm using a pink marker for Peppa's face and body. Her cheeks will also be pink for a cute blush. For the balloons, I'll use sky blue. The table cover will be colored with orange and yellow to make it bright and cheerful. I'm making the cake colorful with different markers for a fun, festive look. The table and chair legs will be brown. Lastly, I'm using sky blue for the chair itself. See you in the next video. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig eating ice cream. Let's start by drawing Peppa Pig. First, I will draw two cute eyes, circle for her cheek. Now, I will outline the shape of her face. Next, let's draw her mouth with her tongue sticking out, as she's enjoying her ice cream. Now, I will draw Peppa's 2 ears, her body. Let's continue with her legs. Hands. And of course, a yummy ice cream. Since Peppa is enjoying it so much, her mouth is all messy with ice cream. Finally, I will add Peppa's tail. Now, let's draw George Pig. Starting with 2 cute eyes, a circle for his cheek, and the shape of his face. I will draw his 2 ears, and just like Peppa, let's give him a mouth with his tongue out, enjoying his ice cream too. Next, let's draw his body, 2 legs, tail, and hand holding the ice cream. Now, I will make the drawing thicker and more visible so that it stands out better. Wow! The drawing looks amazing. Now, let's start coloring. I'm using a red color for Peppa's dress. A pink marker for her face. And a darker pink for her cheek. Peppa is enjoying a delicious mango ice cream. Do you like mango ice cream? Next, let's color George Pig. I'll use sky blue marker for his dress, a pink marker for his face and body, and a red marker for his cheek. For the ice cream cone, I will use a brown marker. Our drawing looks amazing. See you next time.